This is Paul. Yeah, I'm just sitting here on the street, waiting for somebody to enforce the laws. You know, I woke up on the floor. Yeah, I didn't really want to sleep there. I was calling some churches yesterday to find out if I could get a place to put the tent and my sleeping bag. But I was unsuccessful. You understand how frustrating it is that I know that you're not enforcing the law. And you know you're depriving me of my rights as an American citizen and my resources as a victim. Now, in the last few days, we went through what was known as the Parental Kidnapping and Protection Act. When abductors abduct children, they are owed an actual notice and opportunity to be heard. But in 2011, as I documented in yesterday's email, you did not give me any notice or opportunity to be heard. And then I gave you a picture of the actual dissolution of marriage where you issued the permanent custody order where the male was returned unclaimed. Now, today, are we going to enforce the laws of the United States? Or are you going to continue to be the assholes that you've been for the last 2.5 years? Now, when you issue a protection order on July 31st of 2015 and it says that the respondent was not served, that happens to violate the PKPA, and it violates the Violence Against Women's Act. Then there's some other uniform codes of child abduction, child kidnapping. I was making some videos in the study room yesterday. I emailed a few of those in law enforcement, local law enforcement. Yeah. And their email had some screen prints, some Supreme Court rulings about the rights of parents to be involved in the education of their children, and that as a parent, you've deprived me of my rights. Now, what was a really big problem yesterday became a huge problem. See, I've emailed you 1,600,000 emails, and you made up bullshit stories about me committing crimes, and then you wouldn't admit the evidence that I was innocent of any criminal behavior. And then you continued to schedule court hearings where you tried to get it to be that I was mentally ill or defective because of your immaturity. Now, I don't know what the fuck you're doing today, but as an American citizen, when there's no signature of the petitioner, there's no due process to the respondent, it violates the constitutional rights of the minor's name to have a parent that would say, well, the law enforcement's obstructing your answer to prayer. They're playing God. Is that what you're doing today, sheriffs, chiefs of police, Supreme Court justices? Are you playing God? I thought about playing God myself today. There was an individual, St. Nicholas, we call him Santa Claus, and I thought I'd call Santa a little later because your fictitious way of having fucking problems today. Now I'm going to want my son, Sheriff, and I'm going to sue the fucking